Whenever we see the cube root questions like this, we feel that how to solve it. It takes long time, it takes few minutes to solve it. What if I say that you can solve this question within 2 seconds? Yes, it's possible to solve this question within 2 seconds with a short trick. Hello everyone, I am Vinay Jaiswal and welcome back to my channel Knowledge Circle. So today I am going to teach you all how to find out the cube root of long numbers within 2 seconds. Yes, within 2 seconds. So let's start and let's learn how can we do that. As you can see that I have written the cubes of first 10 natural numbers. You can see here what I wanted to tell in that. The most important thing is the unit digit of each cube. You can see the cube of 1 is 1, the cube of 2 is 8, the cube of 3 is 27, the cube of 4 is 64, the cube of 5 is 125, and 7 1 is 343, 8 1 is 512, and 9 729, and the last one, the 10th is the cube of 10 is 1000. What is the special thing is here that what we can understand from here that if a number whose the cube is, the number is 1, the cube will be what? 1. So if I say here 27, if I find out the cube root of 27, what is the answer? 3. So you can see from here. Here you can see that number of unit places is 7. So the number is 3 all the time. Suppose if I say that at the unit place, if the number is 6, the cube root will be also 6. So you need to take care of the unit digit of every cube. Okay, with the help of this we will do. So let's start it. Let's have a question in front of you all. There is a question which I am showing you and we will solve. Let's divide it into two parts. What is the unit digit of it? 6. It means if it is 6, definitely it will also be 6. Second part, that is 17. What to be done with 17? 17 comes with two cube numbers. If I write here, what is the, see here, 8 and 27. 17 comes between 8 and 27. It is greater than 8 and lesser than 27. 8 is what? It is the cube of 2. And what is 27? It's a cube of 3. So it means that if 17 is greater than the previous cube number, then we will put the previous cube number here. So your answer will be 26. What will be your answer? 26. If you are confused, you can have a fact check also. You can verify it. Let's have another example. I'm going to take another example, a small example, that is 3375. 3375. 5 means unit place. What is here? 5. So it will be 5. The next one, what is that? The next one is what? 33. Not 33 because we are taking by 3 numbers. So what is here? 3. Where 3 comes? Like 1 cube, that is greater than, and it is lesser than 2 cube, that is 8. So what we will put here? We will put 15. The lesser value we will put. Okay, and if you multiply it, what you get? 15 into 15 into 15. 15, how much? 225. And when we multiply it, we get 3375, 3375. This rule is, this trick is very easy and it is going to be very useful for you all. Let's have another example. Let's clear it with more example. If I take an example here, 884, and let's put another value 736. You can take any example you take and you verify your answer. Unit digit 6, so we will write here 6. Okay, and see here 884. 884 comes between where? Between 9 to 10. Between 9 to 10. So what we will write here, because it is more than the 9th cube and it is lesser than the 10 cube, your answer will be 96. The cube root of 884,736 is 96. Please put comma according to international number system, then this rule will be helpful. I will give you one more example and then there will not be any kind of doubt. Okay, let's have any other example that we can have. Let's take here 42875. 42875. Okay, again 3, and because it is here 5 unit place, so we will write 5. 42 comes between what? 42 comes between 27 and 64. Between 27 and 64 means the cube root of 3, it is greater than that and it is lesser than the cube root of 4. So we will go with this number 3 and your answer will be 35. This is really an amazing trick. It will help you a lot when you prepare for any competitive exams. When you don't have time to solve the question, you can apply these tricks and these tricks will help you to solve the problem instantly, and this trick is going to be very fruitful for you all. I hope this video is important for you, and if you like it, please share with your friends and colleagues.